Hey guys, welcome back to Olivia's Lovely Life. And in today's video, we are going to be unboxing Pokemon cards. Me and my cousin Jacob have been dying to open these Pokemon cards, but we have to do them with you guys. So let's go. So these are my Pokemon packs that I got. I don't know if they're real or fake, but they look pretty cool to me.
And these are my Pokemon packs I got.
And this is my cousin's booklet. He has like 20 more to fill in. And then this is my booklet. I couldn't bring all of them to Europe, but I even have some that are not in the sleeves. So, yeah. That's all our Pokemon stuff we got. Okay, guys. Now my cousin is going to open his pack.
Okay, guys. Now I'm going to open my pack. This is Paradox Rift. I hope I get like a good card. Oh my gosh, guys. I just put a 190 fire right there. My second one is 210. Oh my gosh, that's sick, guys. Now it's 270. Oh my gosh. Now it's 210. Oh my gosh, I'm so lucky. Okay, after this is 210 again. Oh my gosh. And the last one, 210 again. Let's go.
Okay, guys. Now I'm going to open this pack. Similar to my other one. Well, like the same thing. Okay, let's open it. Not going to look. Nice. 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 Ooh, that one's cool. This one's super cool. Ooh, I have this one in a 150. So, like, it's kind of like that one. Ooh, this one's so cute. I love this one. I think I already got that one. And this one. Ooh! This one's sick, guys. Okay. That's pretty cool. And it's a water one. Pretty. Guys, look, it has 4. Oh my god, and the shimmery, that's pretty cool. I love this card. And I love getting duplicates because I can, like, trade with other people. And, yeah. Okay.
Okay, hi back. Now I'm going to open my second pack. I hope I get something good too. 180, that's pretty good, chat. Now, oh my gosh, I have this card, but now it's 210. And it's a water one. Oh my gosh. 210 again. 280. Oh my. 280. 220. 340. Oh my gosh.
Bye, guys. See you in the next video.